The legal disclaimer ensures transparency about recipe sources and viewer responsibility. Soft, wobbly almond jelly is a classic Cantonese treat. Set with agar-agar and evaporated milk into delicate, tofu-like blocks, it offers a gentle, bouncy bite. Traditionally served floating in chilled fruit syrup, this fragrant dessert is topped with stewed pineapple or canned lychees for a refreshing finish. It's a silky spoonful of nostalgia that proves simple ingredients create the perfect cooling close to a rich meal. Agar-agar strips 10 g strips, or 2 teaspoons powder, water 6 cups, evaporated milk 1/2 cup, sugar 1/2 cup, almond essence 1/2 teaspoon, pineapple 1, granulated sugar 1/2 cup. Here are the written ingredient list. Preparation steps. Step 1. Measure the agar-agar. Weigh out 10 g of agar-agar strips, or measure 2 teaspoons of agar-agar powder. If using strips, snip them into shorter lengths with scissors. This helps them dissolve more quickly and evenly when boiled. Set aside. Step 2. Prepare the pineapple. Cut the skin off the pineapple, remove the eyes, and slice away the hard central core. Dice the flesh into 3 cm cubes. The cubes should be fairly chunky so they keep their shape after stewing in syrup. Set aside. Step 3. Measure the liquids. Measure out the 6 cups of water, 1/2 cup evaporated milk, and 1/2 teaspoon almond essence. Keep them within reach. 4 cups of the water will set the jelly, while the remaining 2 cups make the pineapple syrup. Step 4. Measure the sugars. Measure 1/2 cup of sugar for the jelly mixture and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar for the pineapple syrup. Having both measured out before you start keeps the 2 quick cooks smooth and stress-free. Cooking steps. Step 1. Dissolve the agar-agar. Put the agar-agar and 4 cups of the water into a saucepan and bring to a boil. Boil, stirring occasionally until the agar-agar has completely dissolved, about 5 minutes. Powder dissolves quickly. Strips need the full boil to melt away completely. Class reference note. The source book sets the jelly with agar-agar, which is the traditional, plant-based choice. Marvelina at What to Cook Today prefers gelatin for a softer, more bouncy texture. Either works, and the cross-reference versions of this dessert use exactly this method of dissolving the setting agent in water before adding milk. Citation, links. https, see What to Cook Today. Calm almond tofu. HTML, SDW. Step 2. Finish the almond jelly mixture. Add the 1/2 cup evaporated milk and 1/2 cup sugar to the pan and boil again until the sugar has dissolved completely. Stir in the 1/2 teaspoon almond essence, then strain the liquid through a fine sieve into a shallow tray or dish. Let it cool, then transfer to the refrigerator and chill until set, about 2-3 hours. Step 3. Make the pineapple syrup. Meanwhile, pour the remaining 2 cups of water into a clean saucepan and add the 1/2 cup granulated sugar. Bring to a boil, stirring until the sugar dissolves, then add the pineapple cubes and let them stew gently for 5 minutes. Remove from the heat, allow to cool completely, and refrigerate until serving time. Step 4. Cut the jelly and serve. Once the jelly has set firm, cut it into 2.5 cm cubes with a knife. The jelly should hold its shape but wobble deliciously. Spoon the jelly cubes and the chilled pineapple cubes into serving bowls and ladle over the pineapple syrup. Serve well chilled.